Hello and welcome to VLab Solutions, your one-stop shop for everything AI. Today we're diving into the fascinating world of natural language processing, or NLP. Here at VLab, we're all about unraveling the complexities of artificial intelligence and making it accessible and comprehensible for everyone. So, what exactly is NLP? Well, imagine if your computer could understand you just like a human would. That's the magic of natural language processing. It's a field of AI that focuses on the interaction between computers and humans through natural language. The ultimate objective of NLP? To read, decipher, understand, and make sense of human language in a valuable way. Now you might be wondering, why is NLP important? Think about how much of our communication is text-based these days. From emails to social media posts to web pages, we're surrounded by text. NLP allows machines to understand this text, opening up countless possibilities. It's behind the scenes when you use a language translator, a voice command system, or even when you get suggestions while typing a text message. In our rapidly digitizing world, the applications of NLP are growing by the day. It's used in search engines, recommendation systems, personal assistant apps, and so much more. With NLP, machines can understand and respond to complex human language, making our interactions with them more natural and intuitive. But how does it work? How does a machine understand language? Well, that's what we're here to find out. Over the course of this video, we'll explore the fascinating processes that make NLP possible. We'll delve into the key concepts, the tools used, and even provide hands-on examples. So, are you ready to explore the captivating world of NLP? This journey promises to be an enlightening one, filled with intriguing insights and discoveries. Stay tuned as we unravel the magic behind NLP. NLP is a game-changer in technology. But what exactly is it, and why does it matter? Let's unravel this concept together. Natural language processing, or NLP, is a fascinating field of artificial intelligence that focuses on the interaction between computers and humans via natural language. Simply put, it's how computers are taught to understand, interpret, and respond to human language in a valuable way. Now you might be wondering, why is NLP important? Well, it's the magic that powers a lot of technologies you probably use every day. Ever asked Siri to set a reminder or used Google Translate to decipher a foreign language? That's NLP at work. Let's delve deeper into some of the real-world applications of NLP. Ever heard of sentiment analysis? It's a technique used by companies to gauge public opinion about their brand or product. By analyzing online comments or reviews, NLP algorithms can determine whether the sentiment is positive, negative, or neutral. Businesses can then use this information to make strategic decisions. Another well-known application of NLP is chatbots. From answering customer queries to booking appointments, these AI-powered virtual assistants are becoming increasingly prevalent in our digital world. They understand and respond to user inputs, providing quick and efficient service, and that's all thanks to NLP. Speech recognition is another fantastic application. Voice assistants like Alexa, Google Assistant, and Siri use NLP to understand and respond to verbal commands. That's how you can ask Siri for the weather forecast and get an accurate response. In essence, NLP is the driving force behind many innovative technologies that are transforming the way we live and work. It's revolutionizing how machines communicate with us, making them more intuitive, efficient, and dare I say, human-like. But how does NLP work? How do machines understand and interpret human language? Well, that's a tale for the next scene. NLP has revolutionized how machines communicate with us. Now let's explore how it works. The NLP pipeline is the series of steps that transform human language into something a machine can understand. This process is like a journey, where raw text is the starting point and structured, machine-readable data is the destination. The first stop on this journey is tokenization. Picture it like chopping up a sentence into individual words or tokens. For instance, the sentence "natural language processing is fascinating" becomes a series of tokens. Natural language processing is fascinating. The next step is stemming and lemmatization. These are two sides of the same coin, both aiming to reduce words to their root form. Stemming is a little rough around the edges, chopping off the ends of words, while lemmatization is more refined, taking into consideration the context and part of speech. For example, stemming would reduce running to run, while lemmatization would understand that running is a verb in action. Then we move on to part of speech tagging. This is where each token is labeled with its appropriate part of speech, whether it's a noun, verb, adjective, and so on. It's like assigning roles to actors in a play. Each word gets a role that determines how it functions in the sentence. Last but not least, we have Named Entity Recognition, or NER. This step identifies and categorizes specific entities in the text, such as names of people, organizations, locations, expressions of times, quantities, and so on. It's like highlighting a text with different colors, where each color represents a different category. As you can see, the NLP pipeline is a complex but exciting process. Let's now delve into Python and NLTK. Python and the Natural Language Toolkit, or NLTK, are powerful tools for NLP. Let's see how to set them up. Python, a high-level, versatile programming language, is a favorite among developers, and for good reasons. It's simple, yet powerful. When it comes to natural language processing, Python, coupled with the Natural Language Toolkit, or NLTK, provides a robust environment to work with. So, how do we set them up? First things first, you need to have Python installed on your system. You can download it from the official Python website. Once you have Python set up, installing NLTK is as easy as pie. Just open up your command prompt or terminal and type in pip install NLTK. Hit enter and let Python's package installer pip do the rest. Now that we have NLTK installed, let's talk about corpora. You might be wondering, what's a corpus? Well, in the world of linguistics and NLP, a corpus is a large and structured set of texts. NLTK comes with numerous built-in corpora, like the Gutenberg corpus, web and chat text corpus, and so on. These are invaluable resources when working on NLP tasks. To use these corpora, you first need to import them. For example, to import the Gutenberg corpus, you would type from nltk.corpus import Gutenberg in your Python script. Now you have a treasure trove of text data at your disposal. You can perform a variety of tasks using these corpora. Want to find out the most common words in Shakespeare's Hamlet? Or analyze the sentiment in a collection of movie reviews? With Python and NLTK, it's all possible. Now that we've set up NLTK, let's see it in action. In the next scene, we'll delve into some hands-on examples of natural language processing, so stay tuned. Ready for a hands-on experience? Let's explore some NLP tasks using Python and NLTK. First off, we'll break text into tokens. Think of tokens as the building blocks of any text. They can be words, sentences, or even paragraphs. It's the first step in understanding the structure of our text data. Next, we analyze word frequencies. This is where we count how often each word appears in our text. It's a simple yet powerful way to understand key themes and topics. Lastly, we dive into the concept of n-grams. In simple terms, n-grams are contiguous sequences of n items from a given sample of text or speech. For instance, in the sentence, "I love coding," the 2-gram sequences would be "I love" and "love coding." With these examples, you've taken your first steps into NLP, but there's so much more to learn. We've covered a lot of ground today, from understanding NLP to exploring it hands-on with Python and NLTK. We delved into the definition and significance of natural language processing, discussing its real-world applications such as sentiment analysis, chatbots, and speech recognition. We walked through the steps involved in the NLP pipeline, including tokenization, stemming and lemmatization, part of speech tagging, and named entity recognition. We also saw how to install and use NLTK, Python's natural language toolkit, and got our hands dirty with some real-life examples, breaking down text into tokens, analyzing word frequencies, and exploring the concept of n-grams. These are just the building blocks of this fascinating field of AI. There's so much more to discover and learn. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button to stay updated with VLab Solutions. We're excited to explore more AI concepts with you.